Hey everyone, it's Evan from Anding Analytics, and today I'm going to be showing you how to download Python, how to download an integrated development environment, also known as an IDE for short. Then I'm going to be showing you how to save your files as Python specified files so that your computer knows how to execute a certain file's contents, which in our case will contain Python code. And then to conclude the video, I'm going to be showing you how to write your first line of code and then ultimately execute it using the terminal command. Without further ado, let's hop into this first video. I am excited to get started. What we're going to do is up in the search bar, we're going to look up python.org, right? This is the official website for Python, and underneath this downloads tab, right, we're going to hover over it. We're going to come over here and we're going to press on Python 3.9.7. This is the latest version of Python. It's downloading here in the bottom left. When it's done, we're going to click on it. All right, so now that we're here, right, you're only going to have the option to install. For me, I already have it installed, so I'm not going to click anything, right? However, when you click it, install, there's going to be a few more things that have to download. Do not worry, this is the official website for Python. This is safe. After you install, there might be a few more settings that you have to click through, but just stick with the default settings because we're all beginners here and there's really no need for any customization at this point in time. Okay, so now that we have Python installed on your computer, it's already been installed on my computer, we're going to go to the next website. Okay, sweet. So we're going to go to Sublime. Sublime Text is the IDE or integrated development environment that I use. Okay, so now that we're on Sublime Text's website, right, we're going to click on download for Windows. We're going to see that it starts to download in this bottom left. When it's done downloading, you're going to click on it. And then right here it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You're going to click yes. Select the additional tasks you would like to set up. You would like setup to perform while installing Sublime Text, and then click next. For those of you who are just downloading Sublime Text, what I want you to do is you're going to press install. When it's installing, there's going to be a few more things that are also going to be installed, just like Python. Do not worry. Again, this is a very safe website. I already have Sublime Text installed on my computer, so I'm not going to click install right now. However, for everybody else who's looking to install Sublime Text, press install, and then there's going to be a few more things that you may have to do with regards to like default settings. Again, just like Python, stick to the default settings. We're all beginners. We don't need any customizations right now. So I'm going to click cancel. Okay, so now that you have Python installed on your computer and you finally have Sublime Text installed on your computer, now we can actually start to write our first line of code and learn how to execute it and save it and make sure that it's all good to go. So we're going to go down here, and on your system, it might pop up here if you've reused it recently, but if you can't see it there, we're going to do Sublime Text, and we're going to pull it up. Off the bat, if we were to just type out a simple print statement, hello world, you can see that this is just white. There's really nothing that tells us the structure of the code. And as you can see on the website, each function or type of variable has a different color for it. That's going to be solved as soon as we tell the computer how to save our files. So we're going to go up here to File. We're going to Save As. Okay, so now that we've navigated to the folder destination that we would like to store our file, what I want you to do is save your file as hello_world.py. Then you're going to click enter, save. Look at the immediate difference. The colors coordinate to what that piece of code means. Now that we've saved our file as hello_world.py, what I want you to do is come down here again. You're going to go down to the search bar. And you're going to look up command prompt. Open up on the other desktop for me. Just like that. Okay, so if we were just to type out the file name, hello_world.py, and press enter, it says it's not recognized. What does that mean? All right, basically, it doesn't know what file we want to execute. So we need to be more specific with our file path to tell the computer where it should be looking for hello_world.py. So we're actually going to do change directory Python because as you can see up here, as you can see right here, we have users, Evan W, Python, helloworld.py. And it's all located on my C drive. What this does is it tells us, okay, within the C drive, look for users. All right, within users, look for evanw. Within evanw, look for Python. This is the file path and ultimately the file name on the very end with .py. Okay, so now that we've changed directory into our Python folder, now we have access to all of the files within our Python folder. So now we're gonna search hello_world.py. Now it executes the code within helloworld.py and it prints out hello world. To recap, the 4 things that I taught you today were how to download Python, how to download an integrated development environment, also known as an IDE, how to save your files as Python specified files, and then ultimately how to write your first line of code and execute it using the terminal command. Thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. I'm coming out with more Python specified content for those who are eager to learn about coding. So watch out for more videos, and I will catch you next time. Thank you.